A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant legal development, the Manhattan District Attorney's Office has requested a pause in the planned sentencing of President-elect Donald Trump regarding his criminal hush money case. This request aims to provide Trump's legal team with ample time to argue for the dismissal of the case altogether. The DA's office made this announcement in front of Judge Juan Merchan, indicating that while they continue to oppose the dismissal bid, they support a temporary halt in proceedings. The basis for Trump's dismissal request hinges on the argument that a sitting president is immune from prosecution, a point that has garnered considerable attention in the wake of his recent electoral victory over Vice President Kamala Harris. Trump spokesman, Stephen Chung, characterized this move as a total and definitive victory for the president and his supporters, claiming that the legal pursuit against Trump is a politically motivated witch hunt. The New York case is one of 4 criminal prosecutions facing Trump, and the ramifications of these legal issues are compounded by his recent election win. Earlier this year, Trump was convicted on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, a ruling that has significant implications for his upcoming sentencing, currently scheduled for November 26th. The DA's office has made it clear that they will oppose any attempts to dismiss the conviction, arguing that presidential immunity does not apply to conduct that is private in nature. In their filing, Trump's defense team asserted that requiring him to engage in further criminal proceedings during this transition period would not only violate the Constitution but also disrupt the presidential transition process. They contend that there is no substantial difference between Trump's status as president-elect and that of a sitting president, thereby advocating for the dismissal of the case before his inauguration. Judge Merchan is expected to make a ruling on the proposed motion schedule soon. Trump's attorneys have been vocal about their desire to have the conviction vacated, claiming that the prosecution's case is riddled with inconsistencies and lacks substantial evidence. They have pointed to the Supreme Court's recent rulings regarding presidential immunity as a critical factor that should influence the outcome of this case. As the legal landscape evolves, the DA's office has suggested deferring all remaining proceedings until after Trump's term ends in 2029, acknowledging the unprecedented legal questions raised by his election. The prosecution remains firm in their stance that the conviction stands, regardless of Trump's status as president-elect. This ongoing legal saga highlights the intersection of law and politics in America, raising questions about accountability and the limits of presidential immunity. As the case unfolds, it remains to be seen how the courts will navigate these complex issues and what implications they will have for Trump's presidency and beyond. The legal battles are likely to continue to dominate headlines as the nation approaches the inauguration, with significant implications for both Trump's administration and the broader political landscape. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.